In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Spotify subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to cut down on monthly expenses or simply find that you're not using the service as much anymore, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and take this step by step to ensure a smooth cancellation process. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Spotify.com account. This is where you'll need to log in to your account, so make sure you have your login details handy. If you happen to forget your password, Spotify provides an easy way to reset it, so don't worry. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your account overview page. Here's where you move on to the next step. On your account page, look for the section that outlines your current plan. There should be a direct link or button that says something like Your Plan or Current Plan. Go ahead and click on it. This section gives you detailed information about your existing subscription, including what plan you're on, whether it's the individual, family, or student plan, as well as the next billing date. With that information in front of you, the next action is to find the option to cancel your subscription. Generally, you'll see a button or link that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Spotify, like many subscription services, will ask you to verify your decision to cancel, so be prepared to click through a few prompts. Make sure you read any options presented, as Spotify may offer you promotional discounts or ask for reasons for your cancellation in an effort to retain your membership. Once you're past these prompts, confirm your cancellation. It's important to note that even after you cancel, your premium benefits will remain active until your next billing date. After that, your account will automatically revert to the free version of Spotify. This means that while you won't be charged anymore, you'll still have access to your playlists and music, albeit with ads and limited skips. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Spotify subscription. It's always helpful to double-check that you've received a confirmation email from Spotify about your cancellation. So check your inbox to make sure everything's in order. Should you change your mind later, remember you can always resubscribe with just a few clicks. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.